A very good evening. It's Vikram Sareen, Chief Architect with Mula Technologies. Now we're going to go to the second demonstration, which is easy authorization with remote signing. And now the key of remote signing is that the user is assigned a one-time password token. Very likely that they should have a challenge response token, and on the other hand, they will have a certificate. Now this overcomes the limitation of user carrying their certificate onto a USB device or whether in the browser, and it makes it easy for the user to authorize the transactions using OTP, which is one-time password, and then use this authorization to actually do the transaction signing using digital certificate in the background. So Axiom Protect is only one of the solutions which actually offers this kind of feature, and we have few clients who are actually using it and they're very happy with it. So let's proceed with the demonstration. So I'm going to come here. The experience wise, it's much more simpler. So I don't need to have any PKI token or any smart card with me. So I'm just going to come in, which is the first factor login. Now this could be apply for corporate as well as for retails with high value transactions or sensitive transactions. So over here I have to enter my second factor, which is username and password. So I'm entering my password over here. We can also do geofencing as well as device profiling on this particular page if needed. And then once the user is inside, we are going inside the payment page, which is where the signing is required. I'm coming up and making up a fake transaction, yeah, just for this mock demo. Test user. So let's say this is test. Now what we need to remember is that we are doing a transaction where the certificate is stored in a secure manner inside the Axiom Protect box. So that ensures that the certificate is only with the user or representative of the user, which is the CA, and that is Axiom box. So I'm coming over here. There are a few other ways like easy login as well as one-time password authentication and all that. So we are going ahead with this. This is essentially to say that we cannot just do OTP based authentication for user authorization, but we can also do push notification, we can also do easy check-in, and we can also do PK signing over here. So all these options are available on the front side for the client. Now we proceed ahead. Now this is the place where I will be requested to input the signature OTP. Now the key advantage of signature OTP is that it binds the transaction with the OTP. So meaning that if there is a replay attack, that will be stopped because the transaction cannot be replayed because of the nature of OTP. And the other aspect is that if the data has changed, that means some man in the middle attack or script in the middle attack has happened, then we can identify that the data has changed, the OTP will be invalidated, and the transaction will be stopped there. So it's a much higher grade of security than just asking for a static password or doing a biometrics. So as you could see over here, I'm looking at the transaction details, and this is the challenge that I have to input it into my token. So over here for easy demonstration, I am using my mobile token. So let me just quickly show you from the beginning the logout and then log into the application. Yeah, so I'm coming over here, logging in. Now our OTP token actually provides wide variety of options. So we have OTP, SOTP, digital signing also can be done, push notification is also supported. Then we have easy check-in, which is the new way or innovative way of doing your logins, and also e-pin delivery in a secure manner all the way onto the phone where you can see the pin. And also we have secure vault where you can basically it's like a password manager. So let's keep the focus on the signature OTP. Now this is the challenge that I have to input it. So it's sorry, one thing 24811146001. Yeah, so that's what I have entered into my OTP token, and then I say proceed. That's the signature OTP that is generated. So now I'm putting it over here. 6. Yeah, okay. Now, if I was supposed to get out of band signature OTP, all I have to do is just press the button here. Then based on SMS or email or voice that is being enabled, we can get a message onto the phone, and that will carry my signature one-time password. Yeah. So I am saying confirm. Now, once I've pressed off confirm, there are two things which are happening. Firstly, my signature OTP is getting validated, and that's what is showing up over here. Then my geofence is also being done. That means, am I coming from the right place to do the transaction? And then thirdly, it is also signing the transaction on the server side. So this is for the demo purpose. We are actually showing it over here, that we can actually, this is the signature with regards to this particular transaction and this particular signature OTP that is being done. You can also click over here and validate the signature OTP. This is more for the demo purpose, but this happens in the background with the so-called the business application and the axiom protect talking to each other. Yeah. So now let me quickly come back and also show you that what has happened in the background. Hey, sorry. Yeah. Okay, apologies. I think I'm inputting the wrong password. Okay. So now if you see over here in the user, that means if I click on let's say this particular user, now this is the user I have. This is the software token is assigned to this user, and then we can see the audit trail that the successful SOTP was verified or not. Yeah, so I'm just pulling a PDF file. Sorry, and let's quickly also look at the certificate side. So if you see over here, I can pull the records over here. Then on the other hand, what I can do is that I can also look at the usage report where I have the RSS report. Sorry, it's in the inventory report, my bad. Yeah, okay, just to show you. Yeah, this is where the signature OTP has happened. Yeah, so signature OTP successfully verified, and now let's look at the remote server signing, which is where the signature has happened. Robot. So I'm just doing a search. Yeah, so as you can see over here that the signing has happened in context of this particular user. So this is the record that we have just now. Yeah, so we can also have the signature as well as the data that was signed for this particular transaction that we did for demo. Yeah. So in essence, what we want to highlight is that it makes it easy for the user. It is using digital certificates in the background. It is using one-time password or any other form like push or easy check-in in the front, and then enabling it for any kind of device. So you can use it for mobile devices as well as web devices as well as desktop. So this gives you a full end-to-end, easy to use a digital signing based solution that can be offered under Axiom. Yeah. So let us know if you're interested in trying the remote server signing with your application. We'll be happy to do a free pilot with you. Yeah, thanks.